हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं अर्पिता इस वीडियो में आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ एक मज़ेदार सी टॉपिक। आइए फिर हम शुरू करते हैं। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है इंटरनेशनल डांस डे के बारे में। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और बेल आइकन ज़रूर प्रेस कीजिएगा ताकि आप आने वाले टाइम में कोई भी अपडेट मिस ना कर सकें। The art of dance is one of the earliest and longest lasting form of entertainment and community activity known for mankind. While it continues to be practiced by millions of people daily, Dance Day is a precious moment in the calendar where everyone is invited to take part in an extremely enjoyable pastime, even those with two left feet. Dance is one of the ultimate activities to distress, lose inhibition, meet new people and boost physical health. The annual tradition encapsulates people around the world, from professional dancers to individuals that would usually stand well back. The art of dance can be traced back at least 9,000 years to ancient Indian paintings, while ceremonial dance appeared in many other Asian cultures. It has been a centered ingredient in human life ever since, with everyone from tribes people to professional entertainers showing their talent. The great thing is that it can be enjoyed by everybody regardless of their natural rhythm or dance capabilities. Dance Day aims to celebrate a world of dance. Participant of all ability levels, Dance Day is a true global celebration that breaks down barriers to bring people together. Every dance is welcomed with the open arms, from traditional ceremonial dances like the Haka, Rinjang dance and Kagura to modern street dance and jump style electronic dance. It includes dances that are steeped in heritage as well as contemporary style that borrows attributes from various sources. Kizomba, jazz dance, American rhythm, Latin, ballet and country dance can be enjoyed on the day by solo dancers, duets, small groups or huge collectives. Dance Day celebrates the free and unrestricted nature of dance as well as the concept of working together and celebrating cultural differences while also realizing that we are all united. Dance is one of the best way to introduce people to other traditions and can help people connect to each others. Billions enjoy the art form and millions come together to celebrate this specific day in the calendar. Its popularity has grown at a significant rate and is expected to hit even greater heights in the coming years. While the history of dance goes back thousands of years, the official Dance Day ceremony is only launched in 1982. With Flash Dance hitting the silver screen the following year, the event could not have started a better time. After all, millions around the globe suddenly discovered their heightened love of the art shortly after leaving the cinemas. Ever since its original event, the annual celebration is for amateur and professionals, encouraging participants to enjoy their favorite style and routines while stimulatingly broadening their knowledge by embracing their dance and culture. There is a chance to be stunted by the quality and other dances while also enjoying the light-hearted nobility dances and comedy routines. For most, the inevitable mistakes that occurs when trying to learn new dances are a source of laugh while still being a great way to develop new talents. Dance Day itself is organized by Dance Committee of International Theatre Institute, who are partnered to UNESCO. This underlines the status of the celebration. The annual event occurs on the birthday of Jean George Norway, the creator of modern ballet. Each year's celebration, excluding 1983, they were probably out watching Flashdance, includes a message from a special guest of honor. The inaugural message was provided by Herning Huber, while other guests throughout the year have included Chetna Jalan, Germaine Agone, Murray Lewis, Kazuo Ono, Stephen Page, Sasha Waltz, Lynn Hwamin, and Trisha Brown. Dance Day flagship events is a ceremonial gala held by the Executive Council of the International Theatre Institute. The venue for the showpiece ceremony changes each year, but the celebration as a whole can be enjoyed by anybody, anywhere. The concept that dance is for everyone is the focal point in everything that the day stands for. As far as globally celebrated events are concerned, this is one of the most anticipated by creatives around the world, not least because it has always been heavily focused on unity and accessibility. Regardless of background, financial or cultural, the day can be enjoyed by everyone except maybe the guy in the Meghan Trainor song. Thousands of performers and hardcore dance fans may flock to the country of the gala each year, but the whole point of the event is that it can be enjoyed by everyone in their own way. For members that are parts of a group or class, this is a perfect to put on an event at the local hall or even on the street. Street performance can attract a lot of donation, especially when the dance day celebration are promoted. They ultimately thought everyone has their personal relationship with the art of dance. There are literally no limitations to how dance day can be celebrated. Even individuals stuck at home can take part in the experience of the day. Regarding up on the tradition of the dance, online can be supported by watching the latest addition to the Step Up franchise or learning new dance steps from the event is a great excuse to watch a local show or invest in a new dance shows too. After all, the true successes of the event is that it encourages people to take dance more seriously in their day-to-day lives. Another top 2 tip for performance is to record some dances on this day and then revisit them next year. The progress that can be made in 12 months is mind-blowing. Whether the celebrations are enjoyed alone or with others, it's never a bad idea to tune into the stream of the ceremony or at least catch up on them later on. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो अपने अनमोल विचार हमें ज़रूर बताइएगा कमेंट बॉक्स में और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। फिर मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय।